Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Hello, little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, where we combine creativity and fun. Today, we've got a fruity adventure in store for you. We'll be drawing and coloring some delicious fruits. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up, grab your black marker and draw a bunch of grapes. You can draw a big oval shape with smaller circles inside. Go ahead and add some details like vines and leaves. Now, let's draw a juicy apple. Start with a simple round shape and add a stem on top. Don't forget to give it a leaf or two. Next, draw some cherries. Make small, round shapes and add a tiny stem to each one. Cherries often come in pairs, so draw them close together. Moving on to strawberries. Draw a heart shape and then add small seeds on the outside. Strawberries also have leaves at the top, so make sure to include those. Lastly, let's draw a tropical mango. Sketch a big oval shape and add a small stem. Great job, little artists! You've just drawn 5 fantastic fruits with a black marker. Now, it's time to add some vibrant colors. Have fun and let your creativity shine. Our first fruit is the humble grape. Grapes come in various colors like purple, red, and green. They taste sweet and juicy, perfect for snacking or making grape juice. Grapes are often grown in vineyards and are used to make wine, too. They're typically grown in places with warm climates, like California. Now, let's talk about apples. Apples are typically round and can be red, green, or yellow. They're not only delicious, but also nutritious. You can eat them fresh, bake them into pies, or make applesauce. Apples are grown in many countries, with Washington State in the USA being famous for its apple orchards. Moving on to strawberries. Strawberries are bright red with tiny seeds on the outside. They're sweet and juicy, perfect for making jams, smoothies, and more. Strawberries grow best in temperate climates. Up next, we have cherries. Cherries are small, round fruits that are usually bright red or deep purple. They have a sweet and slightly tart taste. Cherries are a tasty addition to desserts and snacks. They are grown in regions with a cold winter, like Michigan, and are often used to make cherry pie. Last but not least, we have the tropical mango. Mangoes are large, oval-shaped fruits with a vibrant orange color. They're incredibly sweet and often enjoyed fresh, in smoothies, or as a topping for desserts. Mangoes grow in countries with warm tropical climates, like India and Bangladesh, where they are considered the king of fruits. There you have it, little artists. We've explored the shapes, colors, tastes, and where these fruits are grown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss any fun art lessons with Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time for more creative adventures. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.